Hi, I'm Dr. Perkins, and today we're going to talk about what is biology. And so biology is the study of life. But what exactly does that mean? What does it mean to be alive? What are the characteristics that make up a living organism? That's what we're going to address in this video. So let's start with one key component of a living organism, and that would be metabolism. Every living organism has the ability to take in food and convert it to a form of energy that their body is able to use. And that is called metabolism. Second characteristic of life is the ability to reproduce, or reproduction. We see the cells in this video dividing. That is a form of asexual reproduction. Another characteristic of life is the ability to respond to stimuli, the way this plant is growing towards light. Human beings respond to stimuli by, if we touch a hot stove, we feel pain. We pull our hand away. All living things are known to be made up of cells. Here's a picture of an animal cell. A cell is the smallest unit of life, or the smallest living thing. That means that the molecules that are inside the cell, they are not actually alive, but together, those molecules come together, they make a cell, the smallest unit of life. Living organisms are also capable of homeostasis. That means they can survive internally and they can maintain a steady state of metabolism, a steady state of functioning, despite changes in the external environment. Living things are also organized. The cells in this plant root are organized. Being organized helps a living organism to function most efficiently. Living things are also capable of growth, such as this strawberry plant dividing and differentiating its cells, becoming different to make a flower and then to make a strawberry. Living things are also capable of evolution. Populations evolve. That means they undergo random changes, and if those changes make individuals better suited for their environment, then over time those changes are retained, and we call that evolution. Living things, unfortunately, are also capable of dying. We have a handy mnemonic for remembering all of the characteristics of living things, and that would be Mrs. Chogue. Okay, so let's just take a quick review. So living things are capable of metabolism, reproduction, they respond to stimuli, they're made up of cells, they do homeostasis, they maintain their internal environment, they're organized, they grow, and they evolve. And unfortunately, living things, even Mrs. Chogue, die. Living things may also be unicellular. That means made up of one cell, such as this pond euglena, or they may be multicellular, such as this yucca plant. That means that living things may be made up of multiple cells. And thank you for listening.